Sometimes a small extra can tip a sale.
So that's the total price.
Okay, I need to check with my partner and get back to you.
That sale just walked out the door. The bonus close adds something unexpected to make the deal more appealing.
So that's the total price, and I'd love to add in a visit to the rum factory on me.
Oh wow, that sounds great. Let's book it.
A thoughtful bonus can turn hesitation into excitement. People love unexpected value.
Biscuit, what if I got you a macchiato to go with it?
Well, go on then, I need something to dunk it into.